Hey people, what's up?
How's it going?
We are so excited to show you this new studio of ours. We've been waiting for it for like what, months? Half a year, and it's finally finished. I know you've already seen a couple of videos of ours within the studio, so let's give you a tour. So basically right now we are in the kitchen. Here we have some rest and it's kind of isolated from the main shooting area here. Let's go inside and see.
Bum. We're here.
So, bear in mind that this studio is not quite over yet. We're still doing some construction. What I love about this is that it has a lot of potential. We already have one corner finished and we have some ideas for 3 other corners. Yeah, it's gonna be really exciting for us.
So guys, I actually really love this corner right here. We can turn and see everything. The color is just amazing. Actually, you can also like leave me a comment like what do you think about this color, because I'm just obsessed with this in this season. So guys, we're also planning to have something on the other wall. We have this like really metal lines like on the ceiling so that we can actually have more lights in there. So everything is just coming, yeah.
Yep, very excited about that.
Okay, so also guys, like as we can remember when we were starting, we were shooting these videos all in the office with the other guys that were working, and we really disturbed them a lot.
A lot of noise there.
Yes,
yeah.
do you remember this like construction that was going on?
It's still going on, yeah, it's really frustrating.
Even like once, like our operator had to actually go to talk to them to ask them to stop for a couple of hours for us to finish the video.
Really
like that was a lot of frustration. So
yeah.
and then like we were going to the office like on the weekends, yes, like waiting until everybody would just go away so that we could shoot.
Had to be quiet, yeah.
That was amazing. Also like.
And then the gear, right? We changed
Yes.
the gear. We had to spend a lot of money to get new gear, which is much better than what we used to have.
Yeah, we like, except that we didn't have the studio, we didn't have an operator. So all that we had to do was just shoot each other on a small Fuji camera. And that was just really ridiculous because we didn't know anything about filming and stuff. We learned something, right? Like, not that bad.
We've gone a lot.
Now we're shooting on a Canon, so we've actually like upgraded a lot. And okay, yeah, what can we say? We're so happy that you're with us, and we promise to create new videos. So the one reason was we had the studio and we upgraded the gear as we wanted to grow the channel and
give you some better quality, sound quality and lighting, everything, yeah.
Yeah, we had some comments that, okay guys, your information is great, but the video sucks, or like the
audio is bad, yeah.
So yeah.
Couldn't agree more, yeah. So we're working on it, and as you can see, the quality has improved, I believe. I hope
we're
you
trying
like it.
our best. So guys, the content is gonna be like new, and we're gonna create amazing videos like full of information. And I hope you will stick to like with us till the end. And I don't know, let's enjoy this ride, the new ride.
See you in our upcoming videos.
Cheers.
Peace.